isometric drawing. We are given the front view and top view of a model in that angle orthographic projection. In fact, there should be H there. Okay, instructions. Start at point A. Where is point A? This is point A, and this is point A. All right. Now, which one of these views is a top view, and which one of these views is a front view? This is your top view, and that is your front view. Okay, let's continue. Start at point A and draw an isometric view. They're saying I must start at point A, and I need to draw an isometric view of the model. And then I should not show any hidden details. Therefore, everything that I'm going to do here must have no hidden details. So what I choose to do is I look at the two views, then I construct a freehand drawing of the answer of what I need without using any of the dimensions. I try and say, okay, that should be A is there, that going to the left hand side. Mind you, there's something happening there. So what I do is I draw my freehand like that. Okay, and that is my freehand. Now, never mind that it's skewed. Because it's freehand, you are allowed to do that. It's okay. Because what you want here is you want to get the actual answer. That's what you do. All right. Then that goes up, that goes across. There's something happening there. Remember that? There's something happening there, which is this part here, which is what we see there. And then it goes there. Then it comes down. Right. So this is what we're getting. So that's what should happen. All right. So this goes up. Now, you have the right hand side almost done. Then let's complete the top part. Top part is like that. Never mind that that is skew, but now you can straighten it by just doing that. Now there is this hole here, which is a through hole. So it means that should be going that way, that way, that way, and that way, and it goes down since it's a through hole. So now that I've done this part here, I can see that this part and that part both are identical. Therefore, it's simple. Comes down, goes across, comes down, it goes across, it goes up as a rib, it goes in, and then it goes across again, it goes in, it goes across, and then this goes out. Now, remember this is freehand. You're not sure whether you're going to see that part or not. But just so you know that you get an idea of what this thing would look like. But what is important is that you've already drawn a freehand drawing. Now, if you look at it here, if you study it correctly, A is on the right hand side. A is on the right hand side of this front view here. From right to left. From right to left. Therefore, this is correct. From left to right, which is that position here. That is very important and critical in orientation, because marks are given to how the drawing is supposed to be orientated. So if the drawing is incorrectly orientated, you may lose marks. So it's important that we look at how A and where A is positioned. Then from there, it becomes easier. I know that this may take about 2 to 5 minutes in doing that, but rather you do freehand first before you move on to instruments drawing, because once you move to instruments drawings and you have your freehand, it's easier to know exactly what needed to be done. In that way, your work becomes much more easier. Now I'm going to move on to using the actual instruments. Now, in so doing, it means I'll be working a little bit faster, because now I have an answer, or I have an idea of what I will need to do.